Hello, friends. Welcome to Cinema Cinema. This is a podcast that's being started by a niece and her aunt. Of course, I am the aunt, as it's very evident. And here is my beautiful niece, Sushmita. Sushmita, sorry. Why Cinema Cinema? Just few lines of introduction, and we will jump into our topic today. Cinema, as we all know, is one of the most powerful mediums across the globe, and we all fall in love with a make believe world so much that most of us want to live in that world, including me and including Sush. So, sports and cinema, in our opinion, are two things in the world that can bring people together irrespective of their background, color, creed, or any political differences. Simply put, cinema and sports bridge the gap between people. So, for all our love for cinema, we wanted to create a podcast sharing our thoughts on this amazing thing called movies and what we feel about it, which are the movies that have influenced us, and of course, bring in the perspective of kids of the 80s versus kids of the 90s, how we perceive the same movie. Thank you, Sushmita, for joining me today. And let's jump into the movie today. So, we want to pick one of our all time favorite movies from the early 2000s. And which one would that be for you?
So, firstly, I think I want to tell people that I'm definitely like people think I'm the niece and she's the aunt, but she definitely doesn't look like one. And just for the audience, I
No.
want to say so I call her KP so that I don't have to address her by Pinni, which is the Telugu word for aunt. Okay, I'm like, I can't call her Pinni because she doesn't look like it. So, KP is her name. And from KP, it's gone to Cape because I feel she's
Yeah.
like a superwoman in her own way. So Cape is what I'm going to address her just in case for reference.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Sush. But let's,
Yeah. So
so we'll make one movie about this one day, hopefully. But let's talk.
yes. So my favorite movie in the 2000s, if I think about it, is this movie called Amma Nanna Oka Tamilammai. It's Ravi Teja's movie,
Okay.
directed by Puri Jagannath, and
Yes.
it also has Asin and Prakash Raj and what's the Amma's name? Cape?
Jayasudha.
Sorry, yeah, Jayasudha Garu. And I love the
Jayasudha.
entire movie, so that's my favorite movie. What's yours?
For me, it's early 2000s. I think it's Bommarillo. I can watch it anytime, anywhere. From even if the movie is halfway and somebody has turned on the TV, I think I can watch it. So I think ఆ మూవీలో నాకు నచ్చిందంటే I feel like the songs, the script, the screenplay, everything. I think everything was so perfectly done that you're never bored of it. And of course, end of the day, like that family sentiment or something, it was brought very beautifully on the screen.
Yeah,
But now let's talk about what you like in Amma Nanna Tamilammai and why you like it. That after so many years you still remember it.
yeah. I personally am a Ravi Teja fan, so I'm kind
Okay.
of
And
partial that
why?
way.
Why
Like
are you
Ravi
a
Teja,
Ravi
I
Teja
love.
fan?
Oh, there are two reasons. One is because he probably looks kind of like my father. Nangalla unnaru kabatti I have
Mm.
like extra points there. And otherwise, it's his struggle in the industry. Like he wanted to do something in Tollywood. 10 years కష్టపడ్డాడు. He did a lot of other things. Assistant director గా చేశాడు. He's done so many other things. And in the 10th year, he got the break of a hero. And he's not someone who's looking super amazing. He's like full hairy and ఆ time లో that was the thing, I guess. But he still got it. And I only tell myself for 10 years, no, had he given up anywhere, probably he'd not be the star that he is today. And he had no film background, backing law.
Right.
So that's
Um,
why I admired him, his journey. And that movie, no, I think I like sports also. So how they're into boxing and how his bond with his mom and how they show those tiny relation between the mom and son, how the mom gets angry on the son and what really how he manifests the mom. All these small tiny things and the boxing element, and when that Amma dies, oh,
hmm.
I still listen to the song and cry today.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think అదే కదా అంటే మనం చెప్పాలనుకుంది or as I started in the beginning of this podcast that movie influences us so much, right? అంటే after 20 years almost, if you're still listening to that song and it's still bringing you tears, something was done right. you know.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is, and movies and music that they carry with them. I think Ravi Teja, for me especially, I mean, I like his work, what he has done, but I also feel um, he started like a phenomenon in the industry when he came, especially
Yeah.
when Idiot came, even before Amma
Mm.
Nana Tamilamai. అది ఒక అందరూ చెప్తారు cult movie and all that, agreed, but as a college going kid back then, the first time I saw it, it was very refreshing. Though
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు point of view లో it's very regressive. ఇవాళ generational point of view లో I was going to say that I don't want anyone to misunderstand what I'm saying, but back then it was refreshing
Yeah.
because it broke that mold of how a hero heroine equation was working, I feel, in the movies. Whereas yes, undoubtedly in today's world it will be looked at a very regressive point of view on how he
Yeah.
was treating the heroine and what was being spoken about. But anyway, so coming to, maybe, yeah, I'll just speak a bit about Bomarillu as well in the same
Mhm.
lines. For me, I think I personally like Siddharth's journey also, how he started and really was a kid, probably my age, I don't know, almost. So when I saw him in Boys and later on when he moved, of course, as I saw a lot of his Tamil movies, I can't spell the names right. Uh, I think he has evolved so well as an actor, of course, today. But Bommarillu time ki, wala pair was very refreshing. And as I said, for me, it was something about that narrative also was unique. అంటే ఒక ఫాదర్ సన్ అనే కాదు, జస్ట్ ఒక పేరెంట్ చైల్డ్, హౌ అ
Yeah.
పేరెంట్ కెనాట్ ఆర్ ఈస్ నాట్ సపోజ్ టు ఫోర్స్ అ కిడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఫర్ ఎనీథింగ్ అన్న ఒక్క సింపుల్ లైన్ ని తీసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా స్టోరీ వీవ్ చేశారు. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్,
Yeah.
ఆ మూవీ బిగినింగ్ లో అంటారు చూడు, దేర్ దే సే దట్ ఇట్స్ గుడ్ దట్ ఒక ఫాదర్ కొడుకు నడవాలని చేయి పట్టుకుంటారు, అది చాలా మంచిది నడక నేర్పించడానికి, బట్ అదే చెయ్యి 25 వచ్చాక వదిలేయకపోతే అని స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మూవీ ఆ డైలాగ్ తో. సో
Wow.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఇయర్స్, జస్ట్ లైక్ యూ, ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్ దట్, వదిలేయకపోతే అని పాజ్ ఇచ్చి దెన్ ద టైటిల్స్ రోల్ అండ్ దెన్ ద మూవీ స్టార్ట్స్. So it's
Yeah.
and then they take it in a very humorous spin for the audience, but it's beautiful. And obviously, as I grew older, and once I had kids, inka ekku adi, it like hits hard anamata.
Yeah, and the funniest part, Cave, is even today when we, as a family, when we sit together and watch together, everyone gets connected. And మన ఫ్యామిలీలో will default relate that father's character to someone in our family for sure. And ఇప్పుడు
There
కూడా
will
we say
always
the
be
dialogue. Yeah, we say the dialogue. ఇప్పుడు కూడా నా చెయ్యి నీ చేతిలోనే ఉంది అమ్మా.
చేతుల.
I do it with అమ్మ.
I
So
was
the
going
person
to
who's
say
most
it's either
controlling.
father or mother. The point is వాళ్ళు అక్కడ father ని చూపించారు, బట్ అది ఫాదర్ అయినా మదర్ అయినా ఐ థింక్ యాజ్ అంటే చెప్తున్నా, నాకు అది ఈవెన్ మోర్ పర్సనల్ వన్స్ ఐ బికేమ్ ఎ పేరెంట్. అంటిల్ ఐ బికమ్ ఎ
Yeah.
పేరెంట్ ఆ మూవీని డిఫరెంట్ గా చూసాను. వన్స్ ఐ బికమ్ ఎ పేరెంట్ ఆ మూవీని డిఫరెంట్ గా చూసాను, బట్ స్టిల్ ఆ మూవీని చూస్తున్నాను అన్నది ఇస్ ద పాయింట్. అలా ఒక
Yeah.
మూవీ మనని ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ చేయగలదు. ఇట్ క్యాన్ మేక్ అ బిగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ టు అస్, అమాంగ్ సో మెనీ అదర్ మూవీస్.
And I think this is
సో
one time all-time classic. Like this is one such movie which is an all-time classic for sure. And the beauty in the
ఎస్,
movie, like you said, is the father is thinking he's doing good for the child, and he has no wrong intention. He's genuinely wanting the best for his child. But
కరెక్ట్
the
కరెక్ట్.
child is not able to tell it. He knows the father's intention. I'm like, oh, bro, relatable, very relatable.
And I think that movie also, in a way, it was a pathbreaker for a lot of cinema because first time ఒక మూవీలో విలన్ లేరు. That movie has no villain
Mm.
because the movie is all between that emotion, as you said, and a father point of view లో father character, son point of view లో son character. When no one is wrong and yet there is a conflict. అప్పటి వరకు, ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ లేట్ 90s ఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎర్లీ 2000s, అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ అయింది హై టెస్టోస్టెరోన్ మూవీస్, రైట్? లైక్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ
Yeah.
విలన్, దెర్ ఇస్ అ హీరో, దెర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫైటింగ్, విచ్ ఇస్ ఓకే, అదొక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మూవీస్. బట్ ఇది వెన్ ఇట్ బొమ్మరిల్లు కేమ్, ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ అది బాగా టచ్
Mm.
చేసింది అందరినీ. అండ్ యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్, వెరీ రిలవెంట్ ఈవెన్ టుడే బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ పేరెంట్
Yeah,
డస్
and
దట్ some point.
Yeah, and also the girl's characterization in the movie is so beautiful. Like our Kalam only
Yeah.
like the girl going staying in that other person's house, and also like the independent character that they showed Gada. That was also very
Hmm.
nice.
So
Unlike
between
most of the other
Bomarillu and
movies.
Amma Nanna Tamilammai, which one do you like more? Now that we spoke about two movies.
Like both. You're putting me in a tough spot. I don't want to choose. I like
Well,
both.
నువ్వు కూడా చెప్తున్నావు చాలా మంచి విషయాలు. So I just wanted to know which one do you
Um,
like more?
uh, if I have to choose a
Yes, you
top
can do
spot,
it.
I don't want to choose a top spot because I really like both. Like this, I think for me, Gada, movies, once if I'm
Hmm.
able to take some message, I love the movie. And both the movies have such beautiful indirect messages that వేరే కోసం
So,
సింక్ అయిపోతా.
రాధా గోపాలం సినిమాలో ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంటుంది. Have you seen that movie?
No.
బాపు గారిది. Oh, it's a beautiful
Okay.
movie. If you have not, you should watch
Uh,
it. సో
okay.
భార్యాభర్తలు ఇద్దరు సమానం కానీ భర్త కొంచెం ఎక్కువ సమానం ఇస్ ద డైలాగ్. సో అట్లా రెండు మూవీస్ నీకు ఈక్వల్ బట్ ఏది కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఈక్వల్ యూనో దట్ పాయింట్ నాట్ 1%.
I hate you for making me do this, but
I'm
I like
loving it.
Bommarillo
Okay.
because only because the girl's characterization.
Hmm.
Like every
And she was
aspect,
very
family aspect is
independent too.
included.
She was very independent
Yeah.
also, that girl. I think I liked that also. అది అప్పటి వరకు అంత like growing up in the 80s and 90s, I can definitely say that we didn't see as many strong girl characters or women characters, that we could resonate with. I think adi kuda oka change.
Yeah.
While I also like Amma Nanna Tamilammai, definitely, as I said, there is a uniqueness to it, there is a flavor to it, and Ravi Teja, I think, as an actor, he broke the mold for a lot of people. Lot of people after him. అంటే ఆ హీరో టిపికల్ హీరో ఇమేజ్ కానీ టిపికల్ హీరో
Yeah.
టాకింగ్ స్టైల్ కానీ అదంతా ఇలానే ఉంటుంది ఇలానే ఉండాలి అని ఎవరెవరైతే అనుకున్నారో ఐ థింక్ ఫర్ ఆల్ దోస్ పీపుల్ ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ a big surprise. Okay, it's all about maybe that instinct and that hard work that brought him to that point, and for someone like Puri to say yes, I'll make a movie with you, ఆ కన్విక్షన్తో ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్. అండ్ ఐ ఫీల్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్, అంటే ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలంటే what Shah Rukh Khan did in Hindi. When he came, he was not the typical chocolate boy. He was nothing typical, right? People used to compare him with Amir Khan and Salman, and they used to say he's looking like so normal and all that. And he himself says in all his interviews, and I'm not your typical hero. I don't dance great. I don't look great. I don't talk. But still, he made it to where he is. Yeah, Shah Rukh always says it if you listen to his interviews.
Oh,
But it's the conviction and that hard work, right? That brought him to where he is. Of course, today he's unparalleled, but back then also. Naku, I
yeah.
remember because I had, growing up, I had like cutouts of these magazines, which I used to make a book of. So
Oh,
I
you
don't
have a
know where
Shah
it
Rukh
is now.
fan in house.
Everyone. Like apatlo there were only magazines and newspapers, right? So if there was an interview or an article that I really liked, I used to cut it. So now I am
Oh.
genuinely an 80s kid, but yeah, the
Yeah,
pre-internet
yeah.
era. But
Which
okay,
which
so now
hero's poster did you have, Gabe? I want to know this. Sorry.
Amir Khan.
Oh,
I
nice.
had. It was actually gifted. So I had in my room on the wall, I had Amir. In fact, two Amirs, like one poster in which there were two Amir Khans, pretty big ones.
Oh, nice.
And it was, and I was in heavy debates about him. Anyway, we moved from Telugu movies to
Yeah.
Hindi movies very comfortably. But coming back, I think I'll say, okay, I'm happy that you also accepted. Bomarillu is koncham ekko samanam than Amma Nanna
Yeah, I
Tamilammai.
don't even have to ask you. You're very obvious that that is your answer.
Yeah, I think, as I said, I like both, but I'm clear as to, it'll be Bomarillu because, only because as I said, I can just go back to it anytime. Original గా టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది అక్కడ కదా. నేను ఏ టైంలో అయినా పెట్టుకొని చూడగలిగిన మూవీ అంటే అది. అమ్మ నాన్న
Yeah.
తమిళమ్మ మేబీ మై స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ విల్ వేరీ. వెన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు
Correct.
వాచ్ ద ఫైటింగ్, వెన్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు వాచ్, అట్లా.
But one thing which I really like about Amma Nana Tamilamma is back then, ani kaadu, but it's like how they've showed the family relationship ikkada kuda. Like a single
Hmm.
mother raising a child. The single mother is
Hmm.
again independent. I'm not saying
Yes.
independence is a thing that we have to vouch for, but how they showed the dynamics and that guy's feeling when his mom dies and he has to go back to the father whom he hates. And how
Hmm.
వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో ఆ friction is there. And then how he has a
Yes.
second mom, stepmom there. And వాళ్ళిద్దరిలో sync అవ్వదు. But ultimately he's still there for them, the family bond. And how beautifully they've shown all these emotions.
Right.
అనేది
Correct.
I'm like, ah. And it was done
I
so
think,
beautifully and
yeah,
maturely.
also the way they open up, right? Who is your dad? అదంతా కూడా స్లోగా అన్రేవెల్ చేస్తారు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ సస్పెన్స్ మూవీ, బట్ ఒక కమర్షియల్ సినిమాలో అంత ఏమంటారు న్యాచురల్గా పేస్ట్ చేసి టు బి ఏబుల్ టు, బికాస్ అప్పటి వరకు మనకు కూడా తెలియదు మీ నాన్న ఎవరు అనుకుంటున్నావు అని జయసుధ అడిగే వరకు వీ డోంట్ నో. అండ్ దెన్ వీ
Yeah.
రియలైజ్ ఓ ఇట్స్ దిస్ పర్సన్. సో ఐ థింక్ అవన్నీ కొంచెం దే వర్ యూనిక్, బట్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ if I look back, I also feel, yeah, there was a similarity in Puri's movies. Don't you think so? And if I look at Pokiri, if I look at Idiot, if there is a kind of the way he builds the story and the way he unravels it అట్లా అంటే అదొక డైరెక్టర్ స్టైల్ అని కూడా అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. అండ్ వెన్ ఐ లుక్ ఎట్
Okay.
అదర్ మూవీస్ ఆఫ్ హిస్. బట్ ఎస్ అమ్మ నాన్న తమిళమ్మాయితో ఐ థింక్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఐ ఆల్సో నో ఆ టైంలో చాలా మంది అబ్బాయిలకి ఆసీన్ అంటే కూడా బాగా క్రష్ వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నాయి కానీ నేషనల్ క్రష్ అప్పుడు లేవు కదా. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ ఒక ఫేజ్ ఆసీన్ వాజ్ అ నేషనల్ క్రష్, they just didn't say it
Yeah.
loud in newspapers and all. So there
No,
were
but you know
a
what was
lot
the
of friends.
funniest thing? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the funniest thing was when Puri Jagannath made Liger recently. నేను ఒక వేరే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ పెట్టుకున్నా. I was thinking it would be something in the lines of అమ్మ నాన్న తమిళమ్మ because that came కబ్బితోబి and this is similarly in the MMA format కదా. I was so
Hmm.
disappointed when I saw Liger. I'm like, అరే ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసా ఏం వచ్చింది. So but
అలా
yeah.
అప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ లైఫ్. ఆన్ దట్ నోట్ మనము ర్యాప్ చేయాలనుకుంటా డిస్కషన్కి. మనం అనుకునేది ఒకటి అయినది ఒకటి టైప్లో. But seriously, I think that brings me to a good topic. Maybe manam next conversation ki we should keep it up. Let's see. We have a lot of plans on what we want to keep discussing on this podcast called Cinema Cinema. But thank you, Sush, for your time today. I think it is fun. It's not about the podcast, but just మన ఇద్దరం సినిమా గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయడం. మనం ఎంతసేపైనా మాట్లాడగలము. మనం ఇది రికార్డ్ చేసినా చేయకపోయినా we both can talk hours together about this, and that's what I think I'm
Yeah.
excited about. So
Yeah.
I think that on that note I should say I am Kaivalya signing off because నేను beginning లో చెప్పలేదు నా పేరు. But yeah, thank you so much.